Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best solar panels for portable power stations, the ZOUPW 100W portable solar panel. If you're a fan of outdoor adventures or need a reliable power source during emergencies, this could be the perfect companion for you. We'll take a closer look at why this is the best Jackery SolarSaga 100 alternative, and what makes it stand out. The ZOUPW 100-watt solar panel is built with premium A+ grade monocrystalline silicon cells, delivering an impressive 23.5% conversion efficiency. This means you get more power out of every ray of sunlight, which is crucial when you're off the grid. Whether you're camping, fishing, or dealing with an unexpected power outage, this solar panel can keep your devices charged and your lights on. What's great about this panel is its versatility. The 100W panel comes with a 4-in-1 solar extension cable and is equipped with 3 different output ports: one USB-A, one fast-charging USB-A, and a USB-C port. That means you can charge everything from your phone to your laptop, and even high-powered devices, all from one compact solar charger. It's compatible with a wide range of outdoor power stations, including popular models from Jackery and EcoFlow. When it comes to durability, ZOUPW has you covered. The solar panel is encased in an ETFE coating that makes it waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to heat and wear. This durability is ideal for those unpredictable weather conditions. Just keep in mind that while the panel is designed to handle the elements, the controller housed in the pocket isn't waterproof, so avoid submerging it in water. The ZOUPW 100-watt solar panel is not just powerful but also super portable. Weighing only 9.48 pounds, it folds neatly into a compact size of 24.13 by 21.06 by 1.77 inches. It also features a magnetic handle that makes carrying it a breeze. Setting it up is a piece of cake. Simply unfold it, adjust the kickstands, and angle the panel for optimal sun exposure. You'll have it up and running in just a few seconds, and with 2 adjustable brackets, you can ensure the panel is always positioned to maximize sunlight. Another feature worth mentioning is the smart charging technology. The USB-A and USB-C ports are powered by intelligent IC chips that automatically adjust to provide the best charging efficiency for your devices. It also has built-in protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, so you don't have to worry about your devices being damaged. However, as with any solar product, keep in mind that the actual output might vary depending on the conditions. Solar power output is affected by sunlight intensity, temperature, and the angle of the panel. But even in less than ideal conditions, you can rely on this panel to deliver solid performance. To wrap things up, the ZOUPW 100W portable solar panel is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-efficiency solar panel to power their devices during outdoor activities or emergencies. Whether you're using it with a power station or directly charging your USB devices, it's a solid, durable option that's easy to transport and set up. It's definitely one of the top alternatives to the Jackery SolarSaga 100, and you won't regret adding it to your outdoor gear. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.